Remember, we also need to understand that networking really works if we're delivering consistently, okay? Can't pop on LinkedIn one day and not pop on the next. Can't pop on LinkedIn for one day and add 20 connections and then post nothing the next 5 days. What is the point in adding people if they're not going to see anything? You've got to be really consistent in terms of what are we actually doing here? How the people that we're adding, what's the point in adding them if we can't deliver a message to these people? If that makes sense as well, okay? Also solving the problems. We've got to solve, like we talked about it before. Everything that you do has got to be, how do you solve the people's problems from that network, okay? And even if you're not directly solving problems, how can you add some information to that network that's valuable, okay? And you don't have to directly sell to people here, right? We don't really do that. We don't really go and say, buy these sensors. They're very good. They're technical. They have this frequency response. You need to buy from us because they're cheaper. That is not a value proposition. Whereas what we do is say, talk about real problems we've solved. This is how we've done, and this is how we can solve yours. Because